Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to wrap the function in here. We have sy equal to number 1, so we can divide both sides by s, and you got about 1 over s. The graph of y equals to 1 over s on the positive side, that should be like this. Next, s equals to number 2, that should be like this. S equals to y, the graph should be like this. Now, if we look carefully, the area combined by 3 graphs, that should be this one. So that's about the green area. We know that we can find this intersection in here. So that's about this point in here. So we have y equal to 1 over s and y equal to s. We got about s equal to 1 over s because we want to find this intersection. So that means we have y equal to y, and you can go about s equal to 1 over s. S multiplied by s, you got about s squared equal to number 1. So if we look carefully on the graph, this is about the positive number. So that means s equals to number 1. So this intersection in here, that's about number 1. This is about number 2. After we calculate about this one, we look carefully about dy. That's about this one in here. We see that y is below than s and y above than 1 over s. So you will got about 1 over s is smaller than or equal to y, and y is smaller than or equal to s. And about the bounds of s, that's between form number 1 and number 2. And now we can put the bounds in here. So I will go to dy first. Later that we go ds. About dy, that's from 1 over s to s. About ds, we start from number 1 to number 2. And now we need to calculate about this one. So we have dy. So that means we just concentrate about y square. The integral of dy over y square, you got about negative 1 over y. And we have the bounds from 1 over s to s. And I will put s square in here. So s will go in here. 1 over s go in here. So we got about negative 1 over s plus s. And we have s square in here. ds. S square multiply 1 over s and s. And we got the final answer. That's about negative s plus s to the power of 3 ds. The integration of this one, we got about negative s squared over 2 and s to the power of 4 over 4. And we have the bounds from number 1 to number 2. Now we put number 2 and number 1 go in here, and we got the final answer. So this is about the top, so we change for number 2. This is about the bottom, so we put number 1. And we got the final answer. We got about 25/4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.